Hello everyone. My name is Sonia. I was born from Ari. I am in charge of N5 today. Today, we learn hiragana. How to read hiragana. It's not difficult. Reading hiragana is easy. Please imitate the voice in the video. I think you'll remember it quickly. It's a very short time. Please watch until the end. Let's get started.
あ、い、う、え、お、あ、い、う、え、お、か、き、く、け、こ、か、き、く、け、こ、さ、し、す、せ、そ、さ、し、す、せ、そ、た、ち、つ、て、と、た、ち、つ、て、と、な、に、ぬ、ね、の、な、に、ぬ、ね、の、は、ひ、ふ、へ、ほ、は、ひ、ふ、へ、ほ、ま、み、む、め、も、ま、み、む、め、も、や、ゆ、よ、や、ゆ、よ、ら、り、る、れ、ろ、ら、り、る、れ、ろ、わ、wo, n, wa, wo, n. Once again. A, I, U, E, O. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ya, yu, yo. La, li, lu, le, lo. Wa, wo, n. Okay, we finish how to read hiragana.